Hey guys, so I just built my first semi-custom keyboard. It's a drop control and some, I forget, they're like YTMD or YTMK keycaps. Just a quick sound test. Gotta do the little mouse thing because everyone does it. Not sure why people click the mouse. Still got a little rattle. The shift is really nice. Has some rattle at the top still. I didn't do much with the stabs. It has the keys sound much better than the stabilized ones, but yeah. Anyway, I see why people like this hobby. It's very satisfying once you get everything together.